Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today we have two verbs, okay? Revîn, revandin. So revîn is to escape, to run away, to flee. In some regions it's just to run, okay, like to go running. And revandin is to kidnap. But revandin is used when a boy or a girl love each other and their family doesn't allow, and they just go away, okay? They just go. We say one have revand, like they literally kidnapped each other. So revîn, revandin. Revandin is the causative form of, like the transitive form of revîn. Revîn isn't a transitive verb, but revandin is transitive. So as revîn, I ran away, but من revand, I kidnapped. من مهره revand, okay? I kidnapped my husband. Would be funny.